Hello! To understand whether the square root of -5 squared equals 5 or -5, we need to look into how the radical symbol works when finding the square root of a number. We know that -5 squared equals 25 because -5 times -5 is 25. But 5 squared is also 25. So 25 has two square roots. One is -5 and the other one is +5. The positive one is called the principal square root. Then, when we use the radical symbol to find the square root of a number, the result by definition is the principal square root. In other words, the one that is positive. So then, if we have the square root of -5 squared, inside the square root, -5 squared is 25, so now we have square root of 25, and square root of 25 is 5. So remember the rule. For any real number b, the square root of b squared equals the absolute value of b. And this implies that if b is a negative number, the absolute value will make it positive. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.